Historic storms have pummeled parts of the U.S. with blizzards, record-breaking hail and tornadoes, causing widespread damage across the central and southern states. Montana and North Dakota were slammed by the spring snowstorm, which featured 60 miles per hour winds and whiteout conditions with up to 47 inches of snow. The winter storm is expected to continue piling snow on residents through Thursday. The entirety of Interstate 94 was closed for nearly a day. However, the North Dakota Department of Transportation has reopened the highway between Bismarck to Jamestown. The remainder of the interstate is expected to remain closed for the foreseeable future. A no-travel advisory remains in effect for the state as meteorologists predict the spring snowstorm could become one of the biggest in a quarter century. A separate weather system brought thunderstorms, high winds, heavy rain and hail across the Midwest and into the South. Nearly 24 people were injured after a tornado struck Texas Tuesday night, and although the damage was significant, officials report there was no loss of life. Airports across the state have canceled almost every arriving and departing flight that was scheduled Tuesday, after numerous delays on Thursday. Residents across the state have prepared to be snowed in for the next few days, and several school districts have already opted to close schools until the storm system passes.